Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Today, we're making a simple yet delicious sayote and sardine dish that's both nutritious and quick. First, ensure your 2 medium-sized sayote are washed, peeled, and then cut into uniform 1/2-inch slices for even cooking. Also, finely chop 1 medium onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic, setting them aside for later. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and significantly faster. Once your pan is hot, it's time to build the flavor base for our dish. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it shimmer briefly. Then, add your finely chopped onions and stir constantly until they soften and turn translucent. Follow this by adding the minced garlic, stirring for just about 1 minute until you catch that wonderful aroma, careful to prevent any browning. Now, carefully add all of your prepared sayote slices into the pan, mixing them thoroughly with the sautéed onions and garlic. This step ensures every piece gets a burst of flavor right from the start. Once combined, pour in approximately half a cup of water, then cover the pan tightly. Allow it to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until the sayote becomes tender but still retains a slight crispness. After the sayote has softened beautifully, it's time for our star ingredient, the sardines. Carefully open your can and pour the entire contents, including the flavorful oil, directly into the pan. Use your spoon to gently break apart the sardine pieces, distributing them evenly throughout the sayote. Finish by seasoning with a light pinch of salt and a generous dash of black pepper. Remember to always taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Give the entire dish one final, gentle stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined and heated through. You want those wonderful flavors to truly marry together in harmony. Once satisfied with the taste and consistency, turn off the heat and carefully transfer your delightful sayote with sardines onto a warm serving plate. It's perfect as a side dish or even a light main, especially when served alongside freshly steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.